Welcome to Investors Insights. Our topic today is the market road ahead. We're excited to share our ideas and strategies with you this morning. And we also want you to know that the dialogue in this vlog not only takes place here, but throughout the week, throughout our social media and other vlogs that we do and our podcast. And we want to keep you up to date using high tech and high touch. We'll meet with you one-on-one and in person, but we're excited to be able to have technology that we can send you this kind of current update each and every week with Investors Insights. I am joined today by my distinguished colleague, who I thoroughly enjoy working with, Adam Van Zandt, who's done an incredible job on tracking the markets and using technical in relation to our fundamental analysis. And we've had an incredible meeting this morning. Our other colleagues, Bobby Norman and Trey Booth, had to be at other appointments. And so Adam and I are going to bring you information today. And we want your feedback. We want your comments. So with that said, Adam, the market road ahead, it has not been dull. And so give us your insight in some of the technical and support resistant levels.
Yeah, absolutely, Greg. And I appreciate that. And last week, we had a momentum change. We saw the S&P 500 close on Friday at 4,468. That puts our new resistance level at 4,490 with a new support level of 4,440. I want to give you a shorter term moving day average this week. So the 20-day moving average, which kind of coordinates with a month time span, is now at 4,404. It's important to notice that base is starting to rise. So while we've seen some short-term volatility, we've also seen this kind of push up in the markets as well.
And this, as we discussed this morning, what a market this has been. And people asking, can this market go any higher? Mm-hmm. How do we continue to see strength? Everybody's familiar in this vlog with the bull and bears. Bulls saying we're going to go up and the bears saying we're going to eventually go down, the naysayers that are out there. On this chart here, you will see what are the obstacles in the market: the Delta variant, swelling inflation, negative consumer sentiment, and crypto speculation. Not to mention all the news that's flying out there in the political arena. Those are obstacles the market has been able to continue to climb through. The saying has it that a bull market climbs a wall of worry. And this definitely is a lot of worry for people out there as we continue to go into this area. And so I thought those were really valid points that we had conversations about. And then also one has to focus on, and Adam, you discussed this, that we're seeing outstanding earnings reports and support from central bankers, as I showed there on the chart, and which in essence, I think we can say here, the Fed is undefeated at this time. We did a vlog on that. So those of you watching, go back a couple of vlogs and you'll see why we said the Fed is undefeated. Don't fight the Fed. The trend is your friend.
Definitely. So you talked about consumer sentiment a little bit, and we are tracking the consumer. So on Tuesday, they are going to report retail sales. So we will get a better breakdown from a consumer standpoint of where these certain industries are being impacted from a buying level and selling level from the consumer, as well as financial services has now hit, the sector has hit a 20-day high.
That's
so going back to the Fed and what you said, Greg, we're seeing a little bit of momentum come back into the financial sector. So what does that mean? Well, that kind of puts us into saying what we thought at the beginning. This could be an intermediate to long-term issue with the Fed rather than a short-term issue.
Yeah, and I think you're absolutely right. And there's going to be a lot of discussion in the coming weeks. We've talked about the Jerome Powell. That will be the discussion. Will he be renewed, asked to serve again as chairman of the Fed? And we can have a whole discussion on that from the standpoint what action the Fed will start to take. Will they start to taper here in the coming weeks? A lot of conversation that's going to take place, not to mention the fact that we are approaching Labor Day. School is in session. Football season is coming back, and there's going to be a big discussion in terms of Delta variant, business models. You talked about the consumer. Consumer is giving a lot of feedback right now as to how they're spending their money, not only as to what they're spending it on or if they're saving it, but also how they're making the purchase. Are they doing it through technology? Are they doing it through in person? And we're tracking all that because we're watching business models change as well. So it's an exciting time here at Five Plan Partners, and we are going to continue to track all these details in relation to your financial blueprint and your portfolio. And we're going to keep you updated as these changes occur, and also follow closely the support and resistance levels and these technical analysis that Adam has given you. We get comments and emails and calls all the time from clients saying that really kept me calm when I saw the market get more volatile or turn down for a while. So if you're uneasy, if you're anxious, don't hesitate to call us, send us an email. We love talking about it. We hope you have a great week, and we're going to keep you informed. Thanks.